Children in bio class. Today I am going to explain you menstruation and menstrual cycle. Menstruation is normal vaginal bleeding that occurs as part of women's monthly cycle. Every month, women's body prepare for pregnancy. If no pregnancy occurs, the uterus sets its lining. The menstrual blood is partially blood and partially tissue of inner lining of uterus. So the blood which passes out through the vagina, that blood is not pure blood. Instead of that, it is blood and tissue of inner lining of uterus. Now next is menstrual cycle. So what is the menstrual cycle? The rhythmic series of changes in the sex organs throughout the reproductive life of a female primate from puberty to menopause is called menstrual cycle. In human females, menstrual cycle is repeated at an average interval of about 28 or 29 days. The cyclic events starting from one menstruation till the next one is called menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle involves number of cyclic changes that occurs in the ovary and the uterus under the influence of follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormones. These two hormones are secreted by anterior lobe of pituitary gland. The menstrual cycle begins at puberty at the age of 13 to 15 years and goes till the age of 45 to 55 years. So, starting of the menstrual cycle, that is the menstruation, is called menarche, and permanent stoppage of the menstrual cycle at the age of 45 or 50 is called menopause. The human beings begins these cyclic changes with a periodicity of about 28 days, with ovulation occurring at about the middle of the cycle, that is around the 14th day. So on 14th day of the cycle, ovum release from the mature ovarian follicle, that is called Graafian follicles. Menstrual cycle has many events. So different events of the menstrual cycles are menstrual phase or bleeding phase or menses, proliferative phase or follicular phase, ovulatory phase, secretory phase or luteal phase. So here in the human menstrual cycle, these are the phases: menstrual phase, proliferative phase and secretory phase. On 14th day of the cycle, there is rupturing of the Graafian follicles and ovum release. So this is called ovulatory phase, that is of 1 day. So children, you have to study in detail about each phases. In that, first you see menstrual phase. There 4 phases are menstrual phase, proliferative phase, ovulatory phase and secretory phase. So in that, first you have to study menstrual phase. So what happens in the menstrual phase? This phase is the beginning of menstrual cycle. It is characterized by menstrual flow or bleeding through vagina. It lasts for about 3 to 5 days. There is breaking of mucous membrane and glands from the lining of the uterus, that is endometrium. Menstruations occurs when ovum released from the Graafian follicles is not fertilized. So this phase is, there two hormones are, one is follicle stimulating hormones and other is luteinizing hormones. These hormones are secreted by anterior lobe of pituitary gland. So when the level of this hormone reduce, then degeneration, breaking of endometrium starts, and menstrual bleeding will take place. Now next is ovulatory phase. Next is proliferative phase. In the proliferative phase, it lasts for 9 to 10 days. During this phase, primary follicles in the ovary grow to become fully matured Graafian follicles. Endometrium of uterus regenerated through proliferation. These changes are due to secretion of gonadotropin hormones. So there are two gonadotropin hormones. One is follicle stimulating hormones and other is luteinizing hormones. So these two are gonadotropin hormones. It induces the formation of endometrium and development of follicles. Primary follicles will grow in size, change into Graafian follicles. The primary oocyte undergo the meiotic division, that is first maturation division, and change into secondary oocyte. The secondary oocyte is surrounded by a number of follicle cells together with a large fluid-filled cavity. Then it is called Graafian follicles. At the end of the proliferative phase, there is the rupturing of the Graafian follicles. Estrogen hormones level increase, and the day on which it reaches to the maximum level, on that day Graafian follicles rupture and ovulation occurs. So this rupturing of Graafian follicles occur in the ovulatory phase. It is on 14th day of the menstrual cycle. From this, secondary oocyte will release, that is picked up by the oviducal funnel. Now next is secretory phase. Secretory phase is the luteal phase. So here you see, in the luteal phase, the remnants of the Graafian follicles change into elomas, that is corpus luteum. And now corpus luteum starts the secretion of progesterone hormone. So level of progesterone hormones start to increase. And when level of this hormone will increase, there is the formation of endometrium. This luteal phase or secretory phase lasts for 12 to 14 days. it induced by secretion of luteinizing hormone. Endometrium become highly vascular and glandular. Corpus luteum, I told, secrete progesterone hormones, and this hormone will induce the formation of endometrium. Endometrium becomes fluid filled and glandular. It secretes mucus. This mucus which secreted by it is called uterine milk. It for nourishing the dividing cells. So corpus luteum release the hormone, that is progesterone hormones. But if egg is not fertilized, then level of corpus luteum start to decrease, and corpus luteum also degenerate. Then again next menstrual cycle will start.